how are you? Today we will continue talking about the area part 3. Please remember with me units of area: square kilometer, square meter, square decimeter, square centimeter, square millimeter. Choose the suitable unit to measure each of the following. The first one, area of the floor of the room. Square kilometer. Kilometer we know is measured the area of distance. Square centimeter is used to measure the area of small object. Floor of the room is long, so we will use the long units of area is square meter. Please take care. Square decimeter is smaller than square meter. The second one, area of the agricultural land in Egypt. We will use square meter. The third one, area of the surface of a book page. This is a small object, so we will use square centimeter. The fourth one, area of the playground of your school. Playground is long, very long, so we will use square meter. Area of the Eastern Desert. Eastern Desert is very long, like the distance between two cities or governorates, so we will use square kilometer. Choose the closest answer. The first one, area of the flat which I live in is. Please take care, area, so we must have square. Square kilometer, square centimeter, square meter, square decimeter. We can't use centimeter, decimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay? Flat is very long, so we will use 75 square meter. Take care, square kilometer for very long distance. Okay? Area of the classroom in our school is. You will observe the number is the same, but the difference is the units. Classroom is long, so we can't use centimeter, square centimeter for small object. We can't use square kilometer for distance, so we will use square meter, 24 square meter. The third one, a pupil in primary 4 used geometric instruments to draw a rectangle whose area is. I remember drawing rectangle. We use the ruler. The measure in the ruler is centimeter, so the area of rectangle will be square centimeter. The answer will be 12 square centimeter. The area of the tile used in tiling our house is, please take care with me, 25 square decimeter, 25 square centimeter, 25 square meter. To determine the correct answer, we should know the side length of this tile. 25 square decimeter, this is the area. So the side length will be 5 decimeter times 5 decimeter. 5 decimeter is the side length. Okay? 25 square centimeter, it's the area. So the side length will be 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter. 25 square meters, this is the area. So the side length will be 5 meter times 5 meter. Okay? Please pay attention with me. We can't use square meter. We can't use side length of tile 5 meter because 5 meter is very long. Okay? And the tile using in tiling our house is small. So we will exclude square meter. Now compare between square decimeter, square centimeter. 25 square decimeter, its side length equal 5 decimeter. 25 square centimeter, its side length equal 5 centimeter. To compare between decimeter and centimeter, you should use the same unit. So 5 decimeter equal 50 centimeter. But here is 5 centimeter. So it's reasonable that the side length of tile is 50 centimeter, not 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is very small. We can't use the side length of tile with 5 centimeter to tile our house. That's very tired. But when the side length of the tile equal 50 centimeter, it's reasonable. So we will use 25 square decimeter because the side length equal 5 decimeter equal 50 centimeter. 5 decimeter is reasonable. Area of the square equal side length times side length. Area of the rectangle equal length times width. We know before 1 square meter equal 10,000 square centimeter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 1 square meter equal 10,000 square centimeter. There is double zeros. 2 become 4. 1 square kilometer equal 1 million square meter. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. 1 square kilometer equal 1 million square meter. So zeros double. 3 become 6 zeros. 1 square decimeter equal 100 square centimeter. We know 1 decimeter equal 10 centimeter. 1 square decimeter equal 100 square centimeter. 1 0 become 2 0. Okay, the number of zeros are doubled. Okay, please remember units of area. Please don't forget put units of area on your fingers to make the convert between the units in easy way. Put true for the correct statement and false for the incorrect one, and correct the wrong statement. The first one, the square meter is a unit of measurement used to measure the parameters of figures. This statement is false because the square meters is used to measure the area of figures. Please take care. The second one, the decimeter is a unit of measurement used to measure the area of the figures. That's false because the decimeter is a unit used to measure the parameters of the figure. Please take care. The third one, the milliliters is a unit of measurement used to measure the length of the things. That's true because the millimeters is units of length. The fourth one, area of a square equal side length times 4. That's wrong. Area of square equal side length times side length. The first one, area of rectangle whose length is 2 decimeter and width 5 centimeter is 100 square centimeter. To find the area, please be sure that the two numbers with the same unit, 2 decimeter, 5 centimeter, different units. So we will convert decimeter to centimeter because look at area. The area is square centimeter. So 2 decimeter equal 20 centimeter. We know the area of rectangle equal length times width. 20 times 5 equal 100 square centimeter. That's true. The last one, area of a square shaped piece of land of side length 3 kilometer is 9 million square meter. Side length of squared land is 3 kilometer. So the area of squared land equal side length times side length. 3 kilometer times 3 kilometer. Take care. The required area in square meter. So we know square kilometer equal 1 million square meters. So 9 square kilometers equal, from square kilometers to square meters we will put 6 zeros. Please don't forget. From square kilometer to square meter we will put 6 zeros. So 9 square kilometers equal 9 million square meters, written as 9 millions square meter. So the statement is correct. Complete. All units is for the length. There is no square here. So all these units are units of length. Okay? Please remember units of length. From kilometer to meter, put 30. Meter to decimeter, put 10. Decimeter to centimeter, put 10. Centimeter to millimeter, put 10. Please take care. From kilometer to millimeter, we will put 30 and 10 equal 40 and 150 and 160. From kilometer to millimeter, we will put 60. Please take care. When we move from the smallest units to the greatest units, we will remove. Remove means cancel zeros. Okay? Three centimeter equal 30 millimeter. 2 kilometer equal 2000 meter. 50 millimeter equal 5 centimeter. 4200 millimeter equal 42 decimeter. Please look at your hand. From millimeter to decimeter, from the smallest to the greatest, we will move 2 steps. Millimeter to centimeter, 10. From centimeter to decimeter, 10. So we will remove 2 zeros. Okay? 6,000 meter equal 6 kilometer. You move from the small unit meter to the big unit kilometer. We remove, cancel zeros. So we will cancel 3 zeros. 5 decimeter equal 50 centimeter. 2 meter equal 200 centimeter. 850 centimeter equal 85 decimeter. 8,000 centimeter equal 80 meter. Please take care. We will move from the smallest to the greatest. So we will cancel zeros. From centimeter to meter, we will cancel 2 zeros. So 8,000 centimeter equal 80 meters. 3 kilometer equal 3,000 meter. Take care. These units, all of these units are units of area because there is a square in each unit. Please take care. Please don't forget units of area. Put units of area on your fingers to make the convert in easy way. Please don't forget. 3 square meters equal 300 square decimeter. From square meter to square decimeter, we will put 20. 3 square meters equal 300 square decimeter. 7 square meter equal space square centimeter. From square meter to square centimeter, we will put 2 zeros, and 2 zeros are 4 zeros. So we will put 4 zeros. Put 7 and 4 zeros. The number will be 70,000. Half square kilometer equal square meter. To solve this problem, please pay attention with me. We know 1 square kilometer equal 1 million square meter. So the half will be, half means 50. Put circle around 100 and put 50 instead of 100, and then write down the remaining zeros. There are 4 zeros. 500,000 square meter. 27 square meter equal space square decimeter. From square meter to square decimeter, we will put 20. So 27 square meters equal 2,700 square decimeter. 90,000 square centimeter equal space square meters. Please pay attention with me. From square centimeter to square meter, we will back, so we will cancel zeros. From square centimeter to square meters, we will cancel 4 zeros. We will remove 4 zeros. We will remove 4 zeros. The answer will be 9 square meter. 6 million square meter equal space square kilometer. From square meter to square kilometer, we back, move from the smallest to the greatest, so we will cancel zeros. So we will cancel 6 zeros. The answer will be 6 square kilometer. Complete using a suitable sign, smaller than, greater than, or equal to. The first one, 3 kilometer, 300 meters. We know 3 kilometer equals 3,000 meter, so the sign will be greater than. The second one, 8 decimeter, 80 centimeter. We know 8 decimeter equal 80 centimeter, so the sign will be equal to. Please don't forget, when you have different units, you must make these units are the same. Okay? Decimeter, centimeter is different units. We must have the same units. So 8 decimeter equal 80 centimeter. The sign will be equal to. 5,000 millimeter. 5 meters. From 5 meters to millimeters, we will put 5 meters equal 500 centimeter. So 5 meters equal 5,000 millimeter. From meter to centimeter, we will put 20. But take care, we want to go millimeter. So the next step 10, 20 plus 10 equals 30. So we will put 30 times 1000. Sorry, 7 kilometer, 75,000 centimeter. We can convert the centimeter to meter. So the number will be from centimeter to meter, we will cancel to 0. The answer will be 750 meter. We know 7 kilometer equals 7,000 meter. 7,000 meter greater than 750 meter. The third one, area of a square of side length 8 centimeter. We know area of square equal side length times side length. So area will be 8 times 8 equal 64 square centimeter. Area of rectangle whose dimensions are 9 centimeter and 8 centimeter. We know area of rectangle equal length times width. Length is 9 centimeter, width 8 centimeter. So the area of rectangle equal 9 times 8 equal 72 square centimeter. 64 square centimeter is smaller than 72 square centimeter. The last one, area of rectangle whose dimensions are 3 decimeter and 7 centimeter. Pay attention with me. Two dimensions are different in units. So we must make the two units are the same. So 3 decimeter equal 30 centimeter. So the area of rectangle will be 30 times 7 equal 210 square centimeter. Area of square of side length half meter. Half meter means 50 centimeter. The side length equal 50 centimeter. So the area of square equal 50 centimeter times 50 centimeter equal 2,500 square centimeter. So 210 square centimeter is smaller than 2,500 square centimeter. Good time for you. Goodbye.